If you have a USB stick that shrank in size, this is how to fix it. I have a couple of them. This is a Sony 4GB USB stick and it shrank into a 2MB size. It's basically not usable anymore, but we can fix that. The second one is a 32GB USB stick and it shrank into a 255MB size. Well, don't worry guys, this is how you can fix that and I'm going to show it to you. Let's do it. I'll plug both USB into this USB hub, like that. And let's check it inside my computer. Okay. This is our 4GB USB stick and it turned into 2.19MB. And then the other one, the 32GB, turned into 255MB. So when I have these kinds of issues, I need to check the real space of this USB stick. I go to start menu and type in computer management, and go there, click that. You can see that there's a storage. We can see all the storage of this computer. Open up, and then disk management local. Open that, and it will list all the storage devices that are plugged into your computer. Now you can see that disk 0 is 476GB. This is my hard drive for the computer, so don't worry about this. The second one, this is the 4GB I was talking about, and you can see that there's a 3.43GB unallocated. This is where the 2MB is. Now if you try to right click here, you should be able to delete this one, but the problem is the options here are grayed, so it means to say it's not possible. We cannot delete them. There's another solution for that, and we're going to get back to it later. I just want us to check the other drive if we can fix that one using this method. So after we fix that, then we'll jump back to this 3.73GB and try to fix it. And the next USB stick is this. It's 28.98GB plus this 256 space here. Now if you try to right click here, we can delete this. Yes. Okay, if you try to see it mixed up with the unallocated space, and then we can delete this one as well. And yes. So let's just wait for a bit. Okay, you can see here it became 29.25GB. That's nearly 32GB. Format the drive, an error. So I'm just going to unplug the USB stick and plug it back so that it will kind of refresh that. Okay, scroll down here. Okay, we have it here. Right click it again and we go for format. Okay, we'll be able to format this one USB 32GB. I'll just put the name like that. Yes. Okay. Okay, there you go. So let's go ahead and check it on our computer here. It's not showing up, so basically let's try to change the drive letter. Change drive letter, add, let's just put something F. Okay. All right, there you go. Let's go to this PC and we have our 29.2GB. That's nearly 32GB. So we fixed the 32GB USB stick. The next problem we're having is the other USB stick. We're not able to fix that. So let's go back to computer management and try that again. We cannot delete the 2MB here, so that all of those partitions we have there should mixed up together. So this is what we're going to do. We go to CMD and then run this as administrator. Yes. Let's maximize this CMD here. And what we type here is disk part. And then list. We're going to list the disks that are available. And then we have this one, online disk 1, 3,815MB. That is nearly 4GB. This is our USB stick we're trying to fix. We are going to select disk 1. Okay, because this is our target. Press enter. It is disk 1 is now selected. We are going to clean. This part encountered an error, access denied. See the event log information. So it's not letting us fix that. Do it again. Clean. Oh, so I need to do it twice. Well, I don't know why it occurred an error, but when I did the second one, it cleaned the disk one. And then, well, after doing that, we're just going to type create primary partition. No, it's the other way around. Sorry about that. Create partition primary. Okay? Press enter. This part is creating a specified partition. Succeeded. I've been succeeded, yeah. And let's go back here, check this one out. So you can see that it went 3.73 gigabytes. Let's go back to the Explorer and check out what happened. Okay, we have it here already. Just go ahead and double click. It will ask us to format the drive, format disk. Okay, 3.72, quick format. All right, okay. All right, now we got our 3.71 gigabyte free. I hope this video is going to help you guys. Let me know if you have trouble doing it so. Just drop your comments down below and let me know about it. See you in my next video.